Hi guys, good morning. This is Lian Padla Kape. Time check, it is 10:52 a.m. here in the Philippines. So, kumusta na po ang lahat? I hope you have a blessed and a happy Sunday. Yung iba nagpapahinga, yung iba ay naglalaba, naglilinis, nag-prepare ng mga gamit for next week's na trabaho. Ako po ay, as usual, punta po ng simbahan. Magdi-date po kami ni Lord. At least once a week, may date kami. For me, God is the source of unconditional love. Siya lang ang talagang totoong nagbibigay ng pagmamahal.
Thank you.
So, how are you doing? Ako, ang ganda ng tulog ko po. Kahit pagod po ako kahapon, daming concerns kahapon. But you know, God will give us a chance to relax and take a rest once in a while. Remember that happiness is a choice. So whatever ordeals or predicaments that we encounter in our daily living, try to see the silver lining in every situation. There's always a blessing in every challenges that we deal with. Hi to Sisi Ganda Idol, Melcine Agripina Cervantes Berbano. Hello! Kumusta na Sisi Idol Ganda? I hope everything is good with you. Yes, good morning, Sisi Idol Ganda. Ang galing lang mga contents mo. I really appreciate it. It's so unique and original talaga. Very good that you're doing okay. That's good news to hear. Hindi ka trying hard, Sisi Idol Ganda. Ang galing mo talaga, very unique. Sa mga kapwa kong ka-reels, unique yung content mo. I love it. Meron pang magic. Yung how to drink coffee The difference between a poor and a rich person. Ang galing. Natuwa ako doon. So, makulimlim na naman ang panahon. Parang uulan na naman yata. So, ganun talaga din ang buhay. Kahit makulimlim, ay huwag susuko sa mga pagsubok ng buhay. Dadaan lang yan. Kaya nga, dadaan lang yan. Huwag kang tigil doon. Dumaan ka lang. Huwag tumigil doon sa mga pagsubok na yan. Kasi dadaan lang. May mga purpose yung mga pagsubok natin. Yan yung nagpapakatatag sa buhay natin, sa sarili natin. Kaya no, that one, yan. No, yan. Sorry guys. Yun lang kasi usok, pumasok po kasi sa sasakyan. Yan. So, yan nga guys. Mga pagsubok ay dadaan lang po. Huwag po tayong sumurrender. Laban lang. Habang may buhay, may pag-asa nga. Yun naman sa mga ibang tao. Intindihin na lang natin sila. Kasi meron din silang mga pinagdaanan na hindi nila maintindihan yung sarili nila. Kaya kung meron tayong mas na chance na mas nakakaintindi, intindihin na lang natin. Kasi ganun talaga ang buhay. Huwag mo na lang patulan. Have to put your shoes in their place so that you can understand their situation. Yun nga lang, dapat they have to be aware kung yung ginagawa ba nila ay may nasasaktan ba sila o wala. Kasi babalik din yun sa kanila, yung mga ginagawa nila ng hindi maganda. And let's always pray to God before we sleep, and once we wake up, we have to be grateful for all the graces and mercy that we have received every day from God. Kung may mga concerns man tayo, i-surrender natin sa Kanya. Kasi anything is possible with God, and He always provides. God always provides. Yun nga lang, we have to have faith. Kailangan, we must have a faith in Him. Trust in Him. Hi to Sisi Ganda, Marivic Garde. Kumusta na po Sisi Ganda? I hope you are doing good. Yes, the name in a foreign language. Hello, I cannot read your name. So, This is just a quick live. Hindi pa ako magtatagal. Hi to Michael Lara. Hello, thank you for watching. I just also want to say hi to my loving hubby, Michael Orozco Cape. Hi, baby. I hope you're doing good. Na totoo talagang doing good. Ingat ka palagi. I miss you. Always pray to God. I love you very much. To my hubby, loving husband, Michael Orozco Cape. Thank you to my hubby. Thank you, baby gummy bear. Thank you, Babis, sa lahat ng mga binigay mo, sa pag-provide mo. Salamat. So, again, dito na lang po ako. So, enjoy po. Since it's Sunday, you take a rest. As Catholics or Christians, you pray to our God. Bond with your families once in a while. Kasi once a week lang naman. Right? And hi to my relatives, my friends, and batchmates. Hello. Ingat po kayo lahat. So, I love you all. Bye-bye.